restoration. Are you worried about the receding hairline? Are you spending time in front of the mirror wishing you could stop that receding hairline? Well, here's the good news. Your wish for hairline restoration might just come true. Hairline hair loss, also known as androgenic alopecia, is a common occurrence in males and females. It can be triggered by different factors such as stressful lifestyle, medical conditions or medications, hormonal imbalance, age, or genes. Vplant Hair Clinic offers more advanced, scientifically proven, FDA approved hair loss treatments that help regain hair growth. The patented hair transplant treatments offered at Vplant Hair Clinic are much more advanced than the traditional FUT and FUE treatment. The modified hair implantation (MHI) treatment reverses hair loss by promoting healthy hair growth and nourishing existing hair follicles. MHI Plus is an upgraded hair transplant treatment which aids in faster hair regeneration and enhanced hair growth. These advanced treatments are result-oriented, non-surgical, and painless that restore hairline successfully. Thank you for watching.